In Michael Roberts' blog, The Next Recession, Roberts being an economist who works in the city but who takes a Marxist conception of social and economic forces into consideration when making any of his analysis. Roberts is saying that the next recession will not be triggered this time by the property market and the bubble which created there with cheap mortgages to people who couldn't pay them back, but this time it will come through corporate debt. He's estimating that there's $8.6 trillion of corporate debt in the US at the moment, and he thinks this will then be the trigger for the next recession, the next global financial crisis. In that regard, quantitative easing has not worked. It's simply re-inflated a new type of bubble, and this time the bubble is in the form of dividends and stocks. The FANG, as he calls it, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix and Google, the four main companies, they're absolutely fine. They're hoovering up stock, they're hoovering up dividend, they're parking cash offshore, huge cash reserves, but the rest of corporate America cannot pay its pensions, cannot pay its debts, cannot pay its bills, and he reckons that that will be the next problem, which will basically explode the financial economy globally.